In a previous video, we made an 8-bit binary calculator where you could enter an 8-bit binary number and get the base 10 equivalent. Today we're going to go the other way, starting with the base 10 number and calculating the equivalent 8-bit binary number. Let's jump into Excel. Firstly, we'll make some headings. Base 10 number, binary place value, eight-bit number, and a remainder column to help us understand what's going on. In the place value column, we'll put the first 8 values starting with the 8th. 128, 64, 32, 16, 8, 4, 2, and 1. As binary is base 2, we're halving each time. We want to check if the 128th place value will divide into our base 10 number. To do that, we'll check if the number is greater than or equal to 128. Now, if this is true, we'll put a 1 in the cell. Otherwise, we'll put a 0. This is thus creating our 8-bit binary number. So in the cell, we're going to type equals, so that the computer knows we're doing a calculation. If, open brackets, H7 is greater than or equal to I7, then if that's true, we're going to put 1, so comma 1, and if it's false, we'll put 0, comma 0, close our bracket. Now for the actual calculation. If our number is greater than or equal to our place value, we will subtract them. Otherwise, we'll leave the number as it is. The result in this column now becomes the remainder, which we will put into the base 10 column to continue our calculations. To do that, we'll simply put equals L7. So we repeat until no remainder is left.